Hi everyone, my name is Mimi and I'd like to welcome you back to my channel. So if you are an old subscriber, welcome back. If you are a new viewer and are hoping to be a subscriber, welcome. Um, my channel is about luxury, unboxings, but the pandemic has kind of changed that. So we're diversifying, we're doing different things, we're unboxing other things, possibly luxury. We're not deviating from that, but we're diversifying. So if you've watched my previous videos, you would have seen that I did an unboxing on some cast iron pots from Von Chef. And yeah, I've kind of been on the bandwagon of cast iron pots. I don't know why. I don't know. I think here's the thing. I think I've realized something about myself. If I start buying stuff, particular things like makeup, and I find something that I really like, I'll buy until I've got like a good collection. So I think that's what I'm doing at the moment. I'm trying to build my collection of cast iron pots. So here we've got a brand. The first brand I bought from was Von Chef. That's going to be my everyday workhorse. And I've decided to invest in a few other brands. So the brand that we're going to be talking about today, as you can see, is ProCook. So let's get straight into this unboxing. So while I'm unboxing or opening this box, I'm going to tell you a bit about this. So what happened was I was looking online and I found out that I could actually go in shop and buy these things, because when I bought my Von Chef ones, I didn't actually see them in person. I just ordered them online, and I found that ProCook, from a YouTuber who unboxed them recently, bought some in Blue Water. So I looked online and I found that they had a shop down in Wembley, which is easy to get to from my perspective. So not exactly on my doorstep, but easy to get to. So I decided to go down there. So I went down there yesterday and I looked around, and they were doing a special offer on two items. So online, these two items sell for 129. So the guy said to me, if I, buy, I asked him about offers. He said, look, if you buy those two pots, I will give you a further 20% off. And I thought, I'm not going to pass on a bargain. So I actually got it cheaper than what it is online. Although online it says that you might be entitled to free knives. He said he could give me the free knives, but if he gave me the free knives, I wouldn't get the 20% off. Honestly, I'd rather get the 20% off. So I got the 20% off. So this is the book that you get. You can get these in store. I have one already. And let's see what this is. It's some kind of offer pamphlet. Tells you all the offers. That's my receipts. I'm not going to show you the details. Oh, actually, I don't mind showing you the details because it doesn't have my information. So yeah. So as you can see, that's what I bought. That's my order number. And that's the prices. And it originally, with the discount, it came to £129, but I got 20% off. So that's my discount there. So this is the first. I like the way they package it. And I ordered it yesterday. So this is the thing. I ordered it yesterday and they told me that, and this is normally ProCook, if you order their items before 7 o'clock, they deliver it the next day. When I got to the shop, it was way past. I don't even know whether it was way past 7 o'clock. But the guy told me that I wouldn't get it until possibly Sunday, maybe Monday. Lo and behold, I got a text message, emails telling me that they're going to deliver it on Monday, and then I got a further email saying that they're going to deliver it today, and I got a message, and it's here. So it took literally less than 24 hours. So I absolutely love the way the box was there. Then they've got bubble wrap. If you've watched my Von Chef video, you know that I was really teed off about the packaging for the box. Both boxes were busted. Thankfully, the items weren't damaged. So let's get straight into the boxing. So just to let you know that the color I bought was turquoise, and it's called the graduated turquoise. So the color cut changes from the bottom to the top. So let's see what we've got in the box, because I've never bought ProCook's items. So you get a pamphlet like that. So it looks like on the front. And it's in English, Dutch, French, and it just tells you about your products. Enamel, by the way. And this is the how it comes, like that. And that's the beautiful turquoise color. See, when it says graduated, so it's darker, then it gets lighter. It's got ProCook there. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Put that down there. Sorry about the noise, guys. As I said, I don't know what they're doing across the road, but they're doing some work. So there's so much noise around. Right. So this is the pot. And I'm kind of a bit disappointed because I've seen on videos where they have like these little plastic things on the side to help prevent your pots from the tops from basically hitting each other, but I don't seem to have one. But anyway, I did get this. Sorry, but I had to I've got too many things on. I'm actually videoing on my phone, so the memory just came up and said I had too many things, so it cut the video. So I think I was just about to show you the color. So that's the graduating color that it talks about, and it's enamel, and it's got cast iron coating on the edge, so you have to actually oil that. And I'll just remove this because I don't know what that is, and that's what it looks like at the back. So no logo there. The only logo that you have is on the lid, which is this one. So just so that you know, once you wash it, what you need to do, as well as oiling this part, you also need to oil the rim of this, because that's cast iron. If not, it will rust. So this is a 4.7 litre, and I'll tell you what it is in centimeters. It is a 24 centimeter pro cast iron casserole. Okay, so let's get on to the next one. So this is the next one. This is a slightly shallow one. It's a 28 centimeter, and it's a 3.9 litre. It says 11-inch 4-quad shallow casserole, and it's exactly the same color. I did ask them if I could mix and match, and he said no. For me to get the offer, I have to actually buy the same colors, which is a bit of a shame, because as I was saying, it's a bit of a shame that I couldn't mix and match the colors. And just in case you're wondering what happened, it got cut off again. I've gone into my recycle bin and deleted. So hopefully the video is going to continue from now onwards. So this is the booklet that you get with all the items. That's the lid, similar to the other one. It has the obligatory silicone gel on it. It's got cast iron coating on the rim. It's got the graduating color, as you can see from here, turquoise, and it's got the ProCook logo on the top only. and that's steel or silver. It's got this little slight imperfection, which is not too bothered about. And this is the pot. Right, yeah, so let's remove it. So if you're interested, that's the information, the SKU number there. It's got all the details right there. I'll also insert the details of the previous one, which is a 4.7 litre. And that's the details of the other one, that the 4.7 litres right there. So again, this is a colour, turquoise, graduating dark, and then slightly lighter as it goes. The obligatory gel packaging inside. This is enamel, so you don't need to oil it. You just need to oil the rims so they don't get rusty. And this is shallow, so which means that when you're cooking, the heat is this is actually good for braising stuff, and that's what it looks like from behind. I like the fact that it's got all these like slight imperfections there, because it just makes it really, really perfect in my eyes. So that's the two items that I bought. That's what it looks like with the lid on. Oh, I can't wait to use them. So I'm going to put them down on the floor. As you can see, I'm putting it on a box here because this is, guys, if you do YouTube videos, you have to use tricks and tips to get your things seen. So I'm going to put them on the floor so you can see them. So guys, these are the pots. So this is my 3.7 shallow, and that's the 4.7 litres. And I'm just going to show you all the cast iron pots that I bought in total, so you can just see how I'm building my collection. So these are all my cast iron pots I have so far. So if you remember, that's $29.99. That's another Von Chef, which is, I believe it was $35.99. And these two came at a whopping £103.20 with my 20% discount. So all are enamel except my Von Chef one at the back there, which is cast iron. So yeah, I look forward to doing another video and with another unboxing. I'm hoping to buy a stub rice casserole dish. I'm really that's my next one on my list, because I don't cook a lot of rice, but I do cook rice, and yeah, I'm looking to buy, that's my next one. So it's going to be a stub unboxing. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. Sorry about all the problems with the video and the storage, but yeah, that's what happens when you're doing YouTube videos. It just happens like that. And give my video a thumbs up. It lets me know that you like what you see. And feel free to put comments so I know if there's anything else you want to see. And I will put some footage at the end so you can see where I bought it, and just a tiny bit of footage because I was trying to do it discreetly. But anyway, hope you enjoyed my video. My name is Mimi, and I'd like to thank you so much for watching. Support my channel by subscribing. Thank you so much, and look forward to see you in my next video. Goodbye for now.
But I think it doesn't look like it.